I'm back, guys. How's everyone? I've been searching and doing calculation this past few weeks, trying to figure out to win every lottery game. Then I have stumbled on a lottery technique that is so famous on the internet, so I began to search about this technique. This technique is titled The Lottery Don't Want You to Know About It. When I was amazed when I first read it. Then I get the exact technique, try it and do some calculations. If this technique is really a powerful and can guarantee a jackpot winning every time, because this is always our main goal, to win daily and skip losses. After trying several weeks, finally I have figured this out, and I know you're excited now to see and learn how to execute this technique. Many of subscribers and viewers are wondering because I always use box place on my techniques, because I always want to win daily. Now, this technique is used to win straight. Yes, now you can target the winning combination very precise. On this video, I will explain very detailed regarding on the technique. So guys, focus on the guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now let's proceed. The secret technique. Now get 3 to 5 previous draws. Here is my previous draws: 187, 00, 77, 308, 0336, 566, 436, 177, 755, 863. As you can see, the double occurred on my actual drawing. Now, how to execute this technique? Guys, this technique is positional. You heard it right, guys. So, it is very rare to a number that will repeat on the exact position. This technique now becomes powerful, because we will find our combination now using a positional technique. This will become so very powerful. You will understand later on this discussion. Okay, number 1. Our first number, we will based on the most drawn. Okay, so we will find the first combination. So this is positional, so we'll find it on the first row. Okay guys, get it? This will be the first row. So the most drawn is 1 and 0. So I choose most drawn is 1 and 0 for the first row. Now, the second number row, we will also choose 2 numbers for our power numbers. And I choose 7 and 6 since both of them are most drawn. Okay, 7, 7, 6. Okay, these are my choices on this example. So the first row, second row I mean. This is the second row. I choose 7 and 6. Now, on my little twist, for our third number, we'll choose all. Later you will understand why I choose all. Because I want the third number to always hit whatever the result, it will always land on the number. So we will just figure out the first and the second row only. The third will have no problem because we will choose all the possible number from 0 to 9. Our first position is 1 and 0, and second position is 7 and 6, and our third is 0 to 9, all the numbers and digit. Okay, this is the combination to bet on. Our combination in exact order to win straight. As you can see, first, second, and third number in exact position and number places. Okay, what I mean about the first, second, and the third. Okay, as you can see here, look at this. All the first row is 1. All the 0, because our first position is 1 and 0, so the first row is 1 and 0, all the first row, and the second position is 7 and 6, so 7 the second, 6, 7 and 6, and the third row is 0 to 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay. How this become powerful? I will try to cover this combination. Now, for example, let's say the result is 1, 6, 5. Okay, now we'll see if there is a 1, 6, 5 on the combination. Okay, 1, 6, 5. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it win straight. Okay, let's try again, guys. Okay, let's see 1, 6, 2. 1, 6, 2. Okay, another winning straight. Guys, as you can see, it becomes easy now to win straight instead of playing the rumble and box plays. Now, winning straight becomes so easy by using this powerful technique. Just replace your number on first, second, and last to get your combination here. Okay? On my upcoming videos, I will give more example on how to execute this technique. Okay guys, hope you understand very clear the exact technique. Hope you win or be lucky. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.